Okay, so this is my Promethean board lesson for rhyming in kindergarten. So first page has a background on it, which I picked from the ones available, and this also has my video of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to hook them and introduce them to rhyming. And so page so we can think about what word rhymed with star in the song. And then we have the adjective and just some examples and non-examples of rhyming words on these slides. So we would say the words out loud, and then I would either put a check mark or an X if they didn't rhyme or did rhyme. And then we have our poem, which would help us to focus on rhyming words again, which we would say all together. And now here is kind of more practice / assessment, which is the most interactive part. So kids would take turns coming up and looking for two words that rhyme and dragging them together. So, for example, I know cat and hat rhyme, so I would drag the cat over to the hat. And that's what these next 3 pages are. And then this page is one that Promethean already had available, and it generates words, and then we can come up with our rhyming words. And I would just skip any that were too hard, but the kindergartners would be able to practice coming up with more words, and we would write them down. And then the next few are just kind of a game to review with text, and the kids would fill in the blank. Then this has a sound effect, which is to go to this website, which I will, there we go. So this is the website it would take us to, and then we would be able to pick a game to play to practice our rhyming. And then we would end with the objective again.